What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Listen, I'm gonna keep it very short, very sweet, because this is exactly how I'm attacking the setup right now. I'm walking you guys through ticker symbol ABP because this chart is shaping up for something very clean and there's a real opportunity if you understand how to approach it the right way. If you're tired of chasing random plays with no structure, this video is gonna save you a lot of money, and if you stay until the end, I'm gonna tell you exactly how I'm positioning myself, how I'm scaling, and what my specific targets are. So let's pull up the chart so you can see it right in front of you. You've got a very clean triangle wedge, months of consolidation, price compressing, and now after weeks of silence, we're seeing volume start to creep in. That's not by accident. This is accumulation happening. Someone is buying these dips while the rest of retail is asleep. I'm telling you right now, the smart money loads when the chart looks boring, and the second you see that first push like we saw today with volume, it is almost doubling from average. You have to pay attention. This is the start of the move, not the end of it. Now let's talk real entries. Personally, I think it's a great range to scale in around this 19 cents to 20 cents range, right around this zone here before the breakout candle hit. I'm already sitting about 50% of my planned size, and the key word here is planned. I never go full size into a low flow breakout like this because you need room to maneuver. Even at 23 cents, I'm still interested. Why? Because of the setup. This isn't about the candle today. It's about the setup over the next 2 to 3 days. That is where the value is. So how am I attacking this? Scaling slowly and deliberately, not throwing everything in, not being emotional, because this is what gets you consistent, scaling in when others are either scared or chasing blindly. Now let's talk risk, because I'm not here just to sell dreams. Every trade has risk, and if you don't define it, you're simply just gambling.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out.
My cutoff is simple. If we get a daily close under 18 cents, I'm cutting at least half of my size. Why? Because that's the base of this wedge. If it breaks under there, the setup's invalidated, short term, and I'm not sitting around holding bags, I can always re-enter. But I'm not nervous about this trade because my risk to reward is insanely skewed in my favor. I'm risking a couple cents to potentially gain 30 to 40% upside. Here's how I'm playing this moving forward. If we get a clean push above 24 to 25 cents, I'll be trimming some into strength, locking profits, and letting runners ride. If we get a dip back to 20 cents, I'll load a little bit more, especially if volume stays healthy. I'm not trying to predict the future, I'm reacting to the levels. That's the difference between consistent traders and gamblers. We react, we don't guess. My final targets, first stop is 28 cents, then 30, then 35 cents. If we see a squeeze with news or momentum, it could easily test 40 cents plus, but I'll be scaling out along the way. Not holding everything, not being greedy, just simply playing the levels. I want you to take this in. I don't care if you trade this ticker or not. What I want you to learn from this is the patience to wait for setups like this. Too many of you are burning through your accounts chasing random breakouts, but if you master recognizing this tightening compression, scaling in at the bottom of the wedge, and selling into the breakout, you'll immediately level up trading. This is how you build consistency. This is how you stop over trading. And this is how you protect your capital while still hitting big wins. If this video helped you, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment if you're going to participate in this ABP trade. If you stayed until the end, it helps the channel grow and it shows me you're serious about improving your trading game. Also, if you want to see live breakdowns like this every single week or follow my exact trades that you don't see on YouTube, check out the link to the private Discord below. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, let's keep stacking those wins.